This is Dietrich's. So we have to draw cheeks, rainbows, and details. So I'm going to draw some details to the sun. I drew a curl in the sun. And I'm going to draw some raindrops. A couple raindrops. Some big balls of rain. Let's draw some lightning. I've asked people, how do we show thunder? They don't know. And they said weird things about thunder. They said thunder's nice. So I just think, why not make noise sounds? And that's how you mostly do it. Bunnies and lambs hop through the forest. Try to keep a beat on your bunny hop through the forest. Hop, 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 hopping along the railroad. Bunny with the rainbows, rain, thunder, sun, moon. Life is sweet where little bunny lives. That is neat, and I can draw some specks of grass. Right now, just focus on your picture. Just kind of detail it. I'm drawing little specks of grass at the bottom. This is kind of like a rainy day. This is like the weather bunny. I'm drawing some grass. Mom, is it past 5 minutes? Yes or no?
No, you're at about 3 minutes. You can keep going.
I was just wondering. I'm at a 5 minutes timer, so... Mom, you know why I'm doing these videos? Because so the kids, while they're home, they have something to do.
That's very nice.
To listen to.
That's very nice of you.
and to do something.
Mm-hmm.
Or they're like bored, stuck at home, they can listen to a book or something.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you tell them about your favorite podcasts?
So if you download your favorite podcasts, then you can do Little Stories for Tiny People and Watch Me Too. You can do both. And it will ask you, play all, press play all, and you don't have to push anything. You just go in and it just keeps on going. You don't have to press anything for it to keep on going. So it's pretty cool. Mom, is it past 5 minutes?
You're fine, Val.
I'm at
finish
4.
Finish what you're working on, sweetie.
I'm just drawing little specks of grass.
There's a special guest coming into Valerie's art studio. It's Piggy!
Oh, yeah.
Look, you can't even see her because she blends in with everything.
This is my...
Step on stuff, Pig. No. Oh, she's gone.
Yep, that's my cat.
She gone.
Oh, wait, this is not a studio. Pretty soon I may have a studio, but not right now. I'm thinking my studio might be in that closet.
That sounds awesome.
My kitchen closet. We could set up a studio and get the kitchen out there. And just put the kitchen in the garage so I can always play in the garage.
That sounds perfect. That's a great solution, and we'll set you up a little recording studio in there.
Yeah.
So you can teach other people.
We'll probably put my bookshelf in there, I think.
That sounds perfect.
If it fits.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, can I pause the video? Yeah. Sorry, guys. You're going. Sorry.